I guess it's my time to do my solo. Everyone remembers last year when I soloed Shotgun, right? So basically, I know last year I was only 15, right? So I was riding Shotgun in the car, but now I just recently got my license. And you know, I know we're in the middle of a performance and I really like doing the solo, but I gotta tell you, I'm drained of energy. I don't think I can sing no more, and I'm really hungry, so I think I'm just gonna go home and get dinner. And where's my wallet? Uh-oh, Ben. You better give that back.
What are you doing? How did you make it around? What a bit. What a bit that's helping sports.
You know what? I think I brought my energy back. Let's start the song.
You have a minute to breathe.
I know. Give it a second or two.
You run really fast, Josh.
The beach is not the lacrosse team.
Homegrown alligator, see you later. Gotta hit the road. Gotta hit the road. Something changed around. I can get used to this. Time flies by in the yellow and green. Stick around and you'll see what I mean. There's a mountain top that I'm dreaming of. If you need me, you'll know where I'll be. I'll be riding shotgun underneath the hot sun, feeling like a someone. I'll be riding shotgun underneath the hot sun, feeling like a someone. We're south of the equator, navigator, gotta hit the road, gotta hit the road. Deep sea diving around the clock, bikini bottoms, logger tops. I can get used to this. Time flies by in the yellow and green. Stick around and you'll see what I mean. There's a mountain top that I'm dreaming of. If you need me, you'll know where I'll be. I'll be riding shotgun underneath the hot sun, feeling like a someone. I'll be riding shotgun underneath the hot sun, feeling like a someone. We've got two in the front, two in the back, sailing along. We don't look back. Time flies by in the yellow and green. Stick around and you'll see what I mean. There's a mountain top that I'm dreaming of. If you need me, you'll know where I'll shotgun underneath the hot sun, feeling like a someone. I'll be riding shotgun underneath the hot sun, feeling like a someone. I'll be riding shotgun underneath the hot sun, feeling like a someone. I'll be riding shotgun underneath the hot sun, feeling like a someone.